So yes, this is the Black River Hospital. Yeah, it's good to see that there's cleanup work going on, but it's still heartbreaking to see what's happening down here. This is 8 weeks after the hurricane Melissa, and yeah. But we know nature has a way of bounce back. The leaves are back on the trees, and yeah. This is the Black River, the Great Black River, the river. The sea, yeah. That's it on the right there. And yeah, we never get to come this side because right as I did block off when we come down here. 2 weeks, 3. It was 6 weeks ago. Wow. Come out this so go do video. Man, look on the church. Look what's left of the, I think this is an Anglican church. Yes, look at it. Oh my God. Yeah. But seeing it.
Yeah, man, that's a bit right here.
Seeing it live. Yes, man, I still Jamaica this. Yeah, driver. Oh, race to the race. No, they can't do that with passengers. What weeks after Melissa? Like 8 weeks after. The town is picking up. Praise God, Yeah, and the trees are bouncing back. They are bouncing back. Yeah, this is a quick drive-through. Quick drive-through. We're at the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. And business is kicking here at border. So yeah, this is border. Yep. The difference it is 6 weeks after, or 6 to 8 weeks after. Jamaican people are resilient. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, Miss Betty. Shout out to you. Coming over to you. Shout out. And Miss Sonia. Yeah, man. I'm going to show them who you be. Miss Betty. Show up yourself. Show up yourself. It's our fish lady.
Yes.
Happy holidays, sister.
Yeah, man.
Greetings.
All right.
Miss Sonia, what's she there? Yeah, man. So this is the fish place, Betty's fish place. And this is Miss Sonia. Shout out, big up. We show you, get a view here. Yeah, man, shout out. When you come out of border, you see her and get the bomb in them. Yeah, man, they're really great. Yeah, see them there? Yeah, man, all steam. These are fresh. The one on top there is steam. All right. So business is booming. Praise God. At the border. St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Simply the best. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat my bammy. It's the best. Best bammy. Steam bammy. Border. Yep. Simply the best. So yep, this is border. Bigger and better. So this is Holland bamboo. We did pass through here before on our first trip. But this is the other end. So this is going to Santa Cruz from Lacovia side. No, Lacovia is ahead. This is from Middle Quarters. So this is Holland bamboo. And yes, you can already see that the bamboos they're bouncing back. Yeah, so this is Bamboo Avenue. Yes, Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth. Alright. And yes, on a day like today, holiday, there would have been a lot more people out here for the holidays, but especially since the hurricane, a lot of businesses, small businesses got hit, so you know. But we know it go. People have to rest too. So yeah, there are a few vendors out here doing the peanut. I don't even see any peanut. I don't know if they have peanuts. But they're doing their jelly and their other produce. But they always have peanuts out here. So yeah, there are some vendors. Yeah, so there's peanuts. Peanuts, they're both. Yeah. Okay, so this is Santa Cruz. This is the other end of Santa Cruz. And yeah, when we came here, we were actually at this gas station here at Petcom. Yes, and we did say the roof, part of the roof went. So that's it from this end. Alright, so yes, the difference with coming through Santa Cruz now and then, it's not as dusty as the first time. And the dust has subsided. Apparently the water, yeah, rain fell and it clear up. So yeah, this is Santa Cruz, the town of Santa Cruz. And yes, Santa Cruz is one of the largest towns in St. Elizabeth. It is not the capital. So Santa Cruz is not the major town, and it's almost as if Santa Cruz is the capital because many people know it to be. It is so much more popular. And yes, so this is Santa Cruz, and we're going through. It's not as crowded as before because it's a holiday, and it's not as dusty, but it's still dusty somewhat. So yeah, we're leaving the town of Santa Cruz. Almost heading to Spurtree or Gutters. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.